Jefferson County Court at Law Number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number 23CCCR 1746. Case is style the state of Texas versus Elijah Papillon Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mitchell, you can raise your right hand. Mr. Mitchell, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mitchell, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Mitchell?
Good.
You're doing pretty good? That's good. Now, Mr. Mitchell, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Joel Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez, again, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Attorney Vasquez, do you waive a record in Mr. Mitchell's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state is represented in this case by Attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, and how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Mitchell, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information Sheet. This information sheet was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information sheet, Mr. Mitchell, it alleges that you, Elijah Papillon Mitchell, on or about July 1st of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. Mr. Mitchell, do you understand what you have been charged with? And to this charge, Mr. Mitchell, how did you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
No contest? Now, you pleaded no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? You have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Mitchell, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials, EM, that are on a line next to a box that's checked nolo contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, Mr. Mitchell, this document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. You understand that statement?
Yes.
Mr. Mitchell, I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mitchell, before you signed an initial, all these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mitchell, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State,
Stay on for 6-1.
any objections?
No objection.
No objection, states exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Vasquez, you advise and counsel Mr. Mitchell, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Mitchell, your attorney, Mr. Vasquez has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mitchell, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you're eminently competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement is the time served, calls tax and retired.
Okay, Mr. Mitchell, the state is offering that you serve 5 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 5 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case, Mr. Mitchell, will be taxed and retired. that simply means that the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Mitchell, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Fair enough.
And do you accept the state's offer?
I do.
Mr. Mitchell, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Mitchell, Mr. Mitchell, you're gonna stand in front of the court coordinator and follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed.
I want you to tell me.
I don't see,
I'm not wait a minute. They are.
samples case on here.
What?
Oh, well, hold on. No, I don't see it up there. Unless it's in a different location. I don't see it.
What docket is it on there?
It's on a pretrial conference docket.
Are you talking about the one in Poland? Oh,
Okay.
You see your nails. Wait, what you say? You talking about the one in Poland?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's flying.
You're worse.
Oh, my God.
You're worse.
Stupid. Oh.
Did you finalize it? Okay, this is, cause number 23CCCR 1106. It's unlawful carrying a weapon 46.0.
You can still carry a gun if you're convicted.
Read that. It's 46.02. Okay. Penal code. Okay. This is, cause number 23CCCR 1106, case to style the state of Texas versus Eric N. Sample. Mr. Sample, is that your full name? Sample, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Sample, do you swear, affirm, and tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Sample, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Sample? It's a good day. Every day is a good day. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Now, Mr. Sample, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information sheet. This information sheet was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information sheet, it alleges that you, Eric
You know,
M.
if I-
Sample,
If you have a moment, because I'm not aware that he's gonna be giving up his rights to possess a firearm by conviction of the UCW. I need to talk to him about that.
Okay. okay. Portier,
Wait, it's forward.
Portier? Would you come forward?
This case started off as a communist. Burger habitation was all they were from. Just refiled it as I guess filed it as.
Okay, this is cause number 23 CCCR 2282, case of style of state of Texas versus William Ray Portier.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or was it Portier? Or,
Portier, depends on what side of Louisiana border you're on.
okay, how do you pronounce it?
I say Portier.
Portier?
Yeah,
Okay, Mr. Portier, how are you doing?
doing good.
Okay, Mr. Portier, you're representing your case by your attorney, by Kimball. Attorney Kimball, what's your announcement in Mr. Portier's case?
Trial,
We're gonna reset it for trial, October. We got the 21st or 28th. Okay, this is gonna be October 28th of 2024. Stay in contact with your attorney. Your attorney's gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You do, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, now. Let's see,
What date did y'all put the UCW for trial?
28th
Okay.
of October.
I'm just making sure it was the 14th when I'm gone.
Let's see, we got Paris. Williams,
I'm pretty sure.
he's not going, he still have some.
yeah, be back.
He's 28.
Oh, I'm leaving. I get so much, that's online.
I'm pretty sure. On the-
Okay, now
Yeah.
Paris Williams. Okay. And Mr. Kimler, you have, let's see, you have Paris Williams. You have Perry Harrison. Is that correct? Let's
I can
see.
get the trial order, Your Honor, I'll go through them and confirm that they don't want to accept any deals.
Okay, hold on a
I
minute,
can
let's
get the one.
see. You got Paris. Kiana Bailey, that's the other one. Okay,
Mr.
let's see. Yeah, I got Harris. Let me see. This is 457. 414. 14. Paris. You Paris Williams? Like her case will be, she'll be number one.
What time you want us back tomorrow?
Okay, hold on. So we got her. And number two, we have Perry Harrison will be number two. And number three would be Kiana Bailey.
Okay, let me talk to them and make sure.
Okay, okay. Williams. Paris Williams.
All right. Can't hear you.
Okay, this will conclude the calling of the court's docket on today's date of September 16, 2024. County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Court will be in recess until 9 a.m. on tomorrow for the court's arraignment docket, and then the trial will start at 1:30 on tomorrow. Everyone, please have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
So that's-
Welcome.